Is your browser safe? Have you got the privacy that you wanted? We are here with 5 safe browsers by which you can browse without losing your privacy. We are the Tech Bros. Hope in guys. Guys, the first in our list is DuckDuckGo. With smarter encryption, you can have good privacy in this browser. Also, it leaves no trace of your browsing. It's light because it's only 9.1 MB. You can see different levels of self search within the browser. You can set different location for browsing. Different themes are also available. You can control the interface within the browser. Different privacy settings are also available for your secure browsing. The second browser in our list is Tor browser. It's most popular browser for private browsing. It's a little heavy, although it protects our privacy and identity on the internet. Secured with 3 level of encryption. With volunteer servers, you will be free from ads that follow you everywhere in your browsing. You can bypass any censorship. Due to multi-level encryption, it is little bit slow compared to other browsers. Also, it resists fingerprinting of your device. You can access all sites which are blocked in any countries. The third in our list is Brave Privacy Browser. Due to its speed, it is very popular. Comes with good interface, blocks the data grabbing ads and trackers, which help in increasing the internet speed. Help to use Tor right in a tab, which increases anonymity. It's a creator-based browser, so we can earn tokens by browsing, and it have a good interface with a good safe browsing experience. The fourth in our list is Epic Privacy Browser. It's fast, it's built on Chromium like Chrome for speed and security. It have a special feature audio queue that can read web pages for you. With the AdBlock, also have encrypted proxy browser VPN built with servers in 8 countries. Special feature include 2-click clear data and reader mode. Encrypted file wallet are also available for protecting the downloaded file. The fifth one in our list is Puffin browser. You will get fast responsive browser experience from Puffin because it saves more data. You will get a visual gamepad with Puffin browser. It is malware protected and have optimal video player. All data from app to servers are encrypted in this browser. You can use Puffin in any non-secure Wi-Fi. You will be safe. Gives you a flash player within the browser. Also, you can download your files to the cloud up to 1 GB. If you guys like the video, if so, please like, subscribe and leave us a comment. Signing off, the Tech Bros.